Grinders create coffee fuzz, grounds that fly and get into everything. It's super annoying. Today I'm going to show you a hack that is super easy that makes that all go away. I'm Eric, this is the Mug Life. I didn't choose the Mug Life chose me. Hey, new logo. First found this hack watching James Hoffman's YouTube channel. I also found out that it's been a thing for a while called the Ross droplet technique over on homebarista.com. Link for that down below. But if you don't obsessively watch coffee YouTube videos or hang around on obscure coffee forums, you may not be aware. All you need is a spoon. No, there really is a spoon. What you do is measure out your coffee before you grind it, then quickly run the spoon under some water and then give your coffee beans a stir before dumping them in your grinder. That's it. No more coffee grinder mess. Keep your countertop clean. Keep your significant other happy. Keep serving coffee people love. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you liked it. We do this every Thursday.